Do you have spam comments and messages? Today, I'm gonna show you on how to check held for review messages, spam in comments. What's up everyone, welcome back to my station. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more of my videos. Today, I'm gonna show you on how to check held for review messages, spam in comments. Of course, on how to delete them, on how to approve them. Of course, first thing you should do, you need to go to your YouTube account. Then you can proceed to your YouTube studio. All the way down, look for the comments. On your channel comments, you will see three options. First is published, second is held for review, and third is the likely spam. In publish, you will see there all the subscribers and viewers who commented your videos. If you want, you can reply, heart, or like their message. So now, in held for review, these are the comments that has not been published, meaning to say no other YouTuber or viewers can read their message except you. So now, there is a 4 option to do this. Either you approve, either you delete, either you report or abuse, and the last thing is you can hide the user. The third one is the likely spam. In likely spam, there is a 4 option also, same option for the held for review. Please take note and read carefully all the comments on your videos. By doing this also, it helps you being informed of what is going on your videos. This is the good thing also, especially in the publish, to interact with your viewers and your subscribers. So I hope guys you learned something today about on how to check your publish, held for review, likely spam comments on your videos. Thank you so much everyone. Until next, if you have any suggestion below, please don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for more of my videos. Thank you so much. Much love, Faustman Station.